how to edit your shortcuts on Snapchat. So all you have to do is to go here directly to your Snapchat application. Just go back here and it will lead you here to your camera section. So for tutorial purposes, let's say you want to click on that snap. Now to be able to edit your shortcuts on Snapchat, where what you're gonna do is on the bottom part you'll see send to, right? Now here, these are your shortcuts. Now what you're gonna do next is to find the plus sign button here, and then here you can edit your shortcuts. So if you don't have a shortcut, then tap on new shortcut. Or let's say you want to put it here to this specific shortcut, this smiley face shortcut. Click on that. And here you will find these people, right? Now let's say you want to delete them. So what you're gonna do is to just toggle them off, or you can add them here, or you want to add more people. So let's say add more people here, this one, and basically tap on save if you're done with that, and then click on that, and then tap on send. And basically that is how you edit your shortcuts on Snapchat. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.